Hey Noemi, how do you check organic orders after running campaign? The easiest way that we can track that is by comparing whatever we made from Amazon PPC ads versus total sales. And the two metrics for that is going to be the one metric for Amazon PPC sales is going to be our A cost, how much per order did we make? And then the metric that we are going to use for PPC plus organic is going to be tacos. When you're running a campaign, and especially when your brand is launching on Amazon, your A costs and your tacos are going to be quite similar. Reason for that is that most of your going to come from ads. I'm here to tell you that no matter how good your brand is of Amazon, unless you have lots of searches when it comes down to off the platform, or you're redirecting traffic with, hey, this is my product, check us out on Amazon, and this is how you can find our product, blah, blah, that is going to generate like search volume for your keywords, right? That are highly brandly related, so branded keywords. So there is a way you can achieve that. Most of the time, whenever you're running your very first ads, ACOS and TACOS is going to be quite the same percentage-wise. And then where we are aiming is that most of our sales are going to come more from organic than from Amazon ads. Now, depends on our strategy. If we want to get more market share, we have to assume that TACOS is going to go up because that is the metric we're tracking. If TACOS goes up, actually, that's a good thing for us, that it seems like whatever we're doing on the Amazon PPC side, it's going to also help us rank better, right? But that's the easiest way you could check organic orders after running Amazon PPC ads. Let me know if that answers your question.